Tap into your creativity this holiday season and create an animated gratitude e-card. Let's get started. Open a blank presentation in PowerPoint. Change the default slide layout to a blank slide. Now add the gratitude quote. Add a text box, paste in the gratitude quote you have. I recommend the website's Brainy Quotes and A to Z quotes. The links are in the description below. Next, change the font to a decorative font. In this example, I'm using Dreaming Out Loud Pro. Resize the text box as needed. Add a decorative border to 2 or 3 lines. In the Format Shape tab, select the border drop-down, add a border, and change the weight to 6 points. Then choose an option with multiple borders. Now add the leaves using stock illustrations. From the Insert tab, choose Pictures and Stock Images. A quick tip for Mac OS, drag the image panel to the slide to create a floating panel. Choose the Illustrations tab, search by the word leaf, and select the ones that you want. Click the Insert button. Now change the leaf colors. For autumn or fall colors, use a site like coolers.com to find an autumn color palette. Select a leaf and then click the Fill drop-down. Change the leaf colors either using the color palette image or hex and RGB codes. Now rename the objects for easy identification. In this example, I will use the tree names oak, elm, maple, and serviceberry. Select an object and choose Selection pane from the Format Shape tab. Double-click the name of an object and type in the descriptive name. Press Return or Enter to save the new name. Continue until all of the objects are renamed. Click the Hide All button to hide the text box and all of the leaves. Click the eye of one of the leaves to display it. Now create multiple leaves. Select the visible leaf and then press Command or Control D to create 3 duplicates. Spread them across the slide and rotate and resize each leaf to create variety. Rename them with numbers so it's easier to identify each leaf. Move the leaves above the slide and, if needed, reduce the view setting so that you can see the slide and the objects. Now add the freeform animation. Select a leaf, click the Animations tab, click the Path Animation button or Motion Path in Windows. Choose the freeform line option, place your mouse pointer over the object, and draw the line down past the slide's edge. Add curves to add a falling effect. Double-click to set the end point. The green dot is the starting point and the red dot is the ending point. Add a freeform path motion to the rest of the visible leaves. Now hide those leaves. And repeat these steps for the rest of the leaves. In total, you should have 16 leaves. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're getting value from this video. In the comments below, share what strategies you've used to create a gratitude e-card. Now you can make adjustments to the animations. On the Selection pane, click the Show All button. Display the animation pane by clicking the Animation pane button. Select all of the leaves and set the duration to very slow or 5 seconds. Rearrange the animations so a variety of leaves will be falling together. This is where the numbering comes in handy. You should have roughly 2 sets of leaves. Do not create actual groups because the leaves will animate together as a clump instead of individually. Make sure the first leaf in the first group is set to on-click. Select the rest of the leaves in that group and change the start to with previous. Select the first leaf of the second group and change the start to after previous. Select the rest of the leaves in the group and change the start to with previous. Also add a delay of half or 1 second to a few of the leaves. On the Selection pane, move the text box to the top of the list to place it in front of all of the leaves. Now click the Preview button to check the placement and timing of the leaves and make adjustments as needed. Once you're happy with your animations, the file's ready to be exported as an animated GIF. Choose File and then Export. Select Animated GIF from the File Type option. Change the parameters as needed and then click the Export button. Once the file is ready, open the file to preview it. The file can now be posted to social media, sent via email, or embedded on a web page.